I got to eat a fetus about a month ago. Don't eat children. I got kissed, or more like my neck got molested. Do you kiss with your eyes open?
Were you just rizzing me up? I'm not that kind of content creator, Ian. Hello, who am I here with?
Hello, I'm Ian Bjorn.
Okay, nice to meet you. And what do you do with your life?
That is a good question and something I'm still trying to figure out. So I have recently dropped out of university to pursue a career in acting. I also do stunt work and I run my own fitness training business.
What's the coolest thing you've ever acted in?
One in Estonia at the start of January 2023, and I got to ride a horse through these beautiful cobblestone streets while it was snowing and about -7 degrees. So imagine me sat on a horse shivering with no horse riding experience for about 10 years.
That was pretty cool. Were you playing like the Prince of Belgravia or something?
I'm gonna say yes because that sounds a lot cooler than an orphan boy who stole a rich guy's identity.
Oh, nice. Okay, so you
And
stole the prince's identity.
Princes, yes.
Nice.
So I am a prince.
So you've done horse riding before?
Grandparents were horse breeders, so I rode a horse when I was 4 years old and then did nothing for 14 years.
It's not a very nice way to talk about your grandma.
Yeah, on set, the filmmaker just went, "Welcome, Ian, great to have you here. You're gonna ride a horse."
What's the worst role you've ever done?
Worst role I've ever done. In terms of like enjoyment or the weirdest role?
Well, we know you do some pretty weird roles, so let's start with enjoyment.
I got to eat a fetus about a month ago,
Sorry, what?
made from raspberry jelly. I was a God-worshipping cannibal.
Wait, what? You didn't enjoy that?
No, I loved it.
So it wasn't the worst in terms of enjoyment?
No, but they put too much blood on the fetus. And the blood was too sweet, so ruined the experience for me.
How inconsiderate of them.
Don't eat children.
Cannibal eating children, what else have you done?
I get a lot of serial killer this year, and oh no, I've got it. Last year I went through a phase of being cast as roadmen. Yes.
Oh, you take the sunglasses off?
Suck your mum.
It's a raid man.
No, I had to improvise part of the script.
You cry when you take the sunglasses off because it's too
Me
much for you.
Don't make me shank you in it, fam.
Wow, so convincing. Is it ever awkward having to act some roles as an actor?
Yes, with that roadman role, they actually gave me the wrong script to everyone else. So I was just stood there like this for half the scene while everyone stared at me going, "Ian, it's your turn." And me convinced going, no, it's not. And then finding out it was. And then having to learn a whole new script on the day.
Oh, that is awful. So it's mainly film stuff you do?
Yeah, a lot of film stuff. I've done a few, I did a musical last year. I did a few theatre roles, but mainly film work. So TV, film and commercial.
What was your first on-screen kiss like?
I've only done once and I didn't actually have to kiss anyone. I got kissed, or more like my neck got molested. I basically had to sit there as a student while my mum called and I had to go, "Sorry, my girlfriend's coming." And then my girlfriend comes and basically was like a slug crawling over my neck. And second ever job in film. And I was just stood there and the director was like, "Brilliant, you look so uncomfortable. How'd you do it?" I am uncomfortable.
Wonderful. Do you have one of those intimacy consultants?
Intimacy coordinator.
Oh, intimacy coordinators.
3 years ago, so before they were really introduced.
Right,
so
okay.
it was more the director going sloppier or faster or more passionate.
More energy, more passion.
I remember my first on-stage kiss. And I was like, I was not really going for it. And I kept like laughing. And then the girl was just like, "Oh, for God's sake, Ollie." And then like kissed me really deeply in the rehearsals. And I was like, "Oh, okay."
Do you kiss with your eyes open?
No, of course not.
No, you just give off that vibe.
No, I don't kiss with my eyes open, thank you very much. And then I was like,
that fact check.
were you just rizzing me up? Was that an invitation to kiss you and see if my eyes are right? Anyway, moving on. I'm not that kind of content creator, Ian. I was so scared about like what my parents were gonna think when they saw the show. This was before I had come out to them, and somehow they didn't know, despite the fact that I was doing musical theatre. I got told by one girl that I like kissed with my mouth open. And I was like, what?
How else?
Yeah.
Just
I don't know. I'm a great kisser, okay? I've had great feedback. What's your biggest red flag in dating?
just gonna
Not
pod
too
that
long.
every flag I've ever seen and gone, "Is that bad?"
Are you thinking in yourself?
Oh, are you talking about other people?
I was thinking about, yeah.
People.
In yourself is the fact that you were a business and marketing student, right? A business and marketing dropout, no less.
But with my 29% attendance, I don't think we can say that, can we?
Yeah, fair.
That's probably a red flag in other people. Business. It's just because I know what it's like.
Yeah. Okay, would you rather have unlimited free food or unlimited free travel?
It's whether I travel more than I eat. With the price of trains in the UK being absolutely ridiculous, and is this first class travel?
No.
muggle
Because first class includes free food.
I'd take free travel because it costs about at least 20 quid to get anywhere, probably an average of about 50 quid.
Yeah.
So I'd take free travel.
I mean, you can also like actually travel to other countries.
Yeah, that's
with
a good
this.
point.
The aspirations being, oh, I get a free train to London.
Well, it's more expensive to travel up to Loughborough than it is to travel to Spain.
Yeah, true. It is
So I was
mad.
thinking of train travel in here.
Would you rather? You've accidentally sent a bit of a compromising image, a compromising photo of yourself.
Yes.
Would you rather send it to your parents or your teacher?
Which teacher?
A teacher you're not attracted to.
Probably the teacher. My mum and dad would probably just, laugh at it, whereas my teacher would ignore it.
But like you'd have to go and be taught by that person afterwards.
Higher grades.
Wow, you really back yourself in this photo, don't you? What's your hot take?
I think tea can sometimes be overrated.
Oh, definitely.
A lot of people claim they can make a fantastic cup of tea, but they don't let it boil long enough. Some people use a microwave to heat up the water. Some people use a pan. So my hot take is that some people need to learn how to make a cup of tea because it needs to sit long enough for the flavour to come in. But some people make it too watery. Some people put too much milk in. Some people don't put milk in.
Okay.
Herbal teas are different because you just leave the tea bag in and tray. But just a milky tea can be overrated if it's not made well
Okay,
enough.
so you need to be strong.
Yes.
You like your tea like you like your men.
Very
Strong.
well, Ollie. Hold
The-
this, sir.
Unbelievable.
Do I have to tense and be an arrogant twat?
Okay, stop. Wonderful. It's lovely to see you. Also, do you want some chocolate?